Here we have the Anypro Cool Mist Humidifier with on and off light option and a timer built in. Let's unbox this guy. So right as I unbox it, here we have a manual, user manual for the humidifier, a satisfaction card, a brush to clean the actual inside parts of the humidifier, the AC plug, and the actual humidifier itself. So let's take this guy out. So here we have the actual humidifier. Actually, pretty cool. It's it's smaller than the other unit they have, but it's just the right size, I think, for an apartment or a house even, or a small room, or large room that is, sorry. Now, there's actually a timer built in here. You can put 1 hour setting, 3 hour setting, or 6 hour setting. You can open it up. Now inside here you have to twist this guy to actually fill it up with distilled water. You fill it into there, you tighten it up, then you install it back on. And there you have it, the Anypro Cool Mist Humidifier. Pretty cool. So here's the older humidifier that I have that's from Anypro. Does not have a timer setting. Now this guy, the new guy, a little bit smaller, but it has a timer setting built into it. And they both feature a night light, which is pretty cool.